Video, we will solve word problems of exercise 4.2. Our first question is find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So here we have to find out the numbers. So what is given? Sum of numbers is equal to 27. So या फिर let numbers are, if one number is x, then we will subtract this number from the sum, you will get the second number, means 27 minus x. Then according to question, their product is equal to 182. इनके प्रोडक्ट 182 है. प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन, तो मल्टीप्लाई कर दें x and this, x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. x into 27 is 27x minus x into x is x square minus is equal to 182. इस 182 को भी इधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस 182 इज इक्वल टू 0. इसको रीअरेंज कर लें इन द डिक्रीजिंग पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल्स. Multiply by minus sign both side, so you will get x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. ठीक है, ये पॉजिटिव होगा तो आपका फैक्टराइजेशन अच्छे से हो जाएगा. मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या आना चाहिए, 182 इंटू 1 182 प्लस है, एडिशन क्या होना चाहिए 27 जो मिडिल टर्म है. ठीक है, टू नंबर्स यू हैव टू थिंक. हम फैक्टराइज करके भी ये नंबर्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. 182 2 9 जा 2 1 जा, देन 7 1 जा 7 3 जा एंड 13 1 जा. ठीक है, अगर आपको नहीं बन रहा कि कैसे हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे ये नंबर्स क्या होंगे तो फैक्टराइजेशन कर लें और डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशन बनाने हैं. 7 2 जा 14 और 13, 14 इंटू 13 ये 182 होगा, और 13 2 जा 26 एंड 7 26 इंटू 7 ये भी 182 होगा. लेकिन हमारा पहला कॉम्बिनेशन ही 14 7 2 जा 14 एंड 13 ये 182 होगा, और इनका सम क्या है 27 आ रहा, ये हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 14 प्लस 13 एक्स प्लस 182 इज इक्वल टू 0. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 14x minus plus minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. Taking x common, so it is x minus 14 is remaining, minus taking 13 common, x minus, देखिए नेगेटिव कॉमन है ये माइनस हो जाएगा, और इसको 13 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 14. सो x minus 14 is common, what is remaining x minus 13 is equal to 0. एक टाइम हम जो है x इज इक्वल टू 4, x माइनस 14 इज इक्वल टू 0 ले लेंगे, फिर x माइनस 13 इज इक्वल टू 0 ले लेंगे. तो क्या होगा, इफ x माइनस 14 इज इक्वल टू 0 देन x इज इक्वल टू 14 वन ऑफ द रूट, एंड इफ x माइनस 13 इज इक्वल टू 0 देन x इज इक्वल टू 13. दिस विल बी द सेकंड रूट. So the first number will be what, x. So x is what, 14, and the second number is 27 minus x. So 27 minus 14 is what, 13. So we will write hence required numbers are 14 and 13. Or if we take x is equal to 13, so 27 minus 13 is 14, so 13 and 14. Next question, we have to find out two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. First of all, what are consecutive integers? Consecutive integers means जो लगातार आए, जैसे 2 3 4, 2 and 3 are consecutive, 3 and 4 are consecutive, 12 and 13 are consecutive. 35, 36 are consecutive. Okay. So here we have to find out the two consecutive positive integers. So if we know the one of the integer, then if we add one to that integer, we will get the second. एक अगर हमारे पास इंटीजर पता हो तो उसमें वन ऐड कर देंगे तो सेकंड आपको कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीजर मिल जाएगा. तो हियर वी अज्यूम दैट लेट टू पॉजिटिव consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. These are the two consecutive integers. Here, according to question, what is given? Sum of their square is equal to 365. Means sum of square of first integer and sum of square of second integer. Means square of first integer plus square of second integer. X square as it is. A plus b whole square से उसको ओपन कर देंगे तो x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x. 365 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर लेंगे तो 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. So it is 2x square plus 2x, ये टर्म सेम रहेगी. 365 minus 1 हो जाएगा, माइनस का आपको मिल जाएगा 364 is equal to 0. All terms are divisible by 2, so we will divide by 2. Both sides you will get x square plus x minus 2 1 जा 2 8 जा 16 and 2 जा. फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड लगाते हैं तो 182 जो है मल्टीप्लिकेशन होना चाहिए और जो डिफरेंस है वो 1 होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो आप चाहे तो इसको फैक्टराइज करके देख लें और नहीं देख रहे हैं तो मतलब इसको फैक्टराइजेशन करके हम देख सकते हैं. जैसा आपने पिछले क्वेश्चन में किया था उसमें भी हमें क्या मिला था 13 और 14 और यहाँ भी वो काम आ जाएगा 14 और 13. 14 माइनस 13 कितना हो जाएगा 1 हो जाएगा. तो ये हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 14 माइनस 13 एक्स माइनस 182 इज इक्वल टू 0. So it is x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Taking x common, so it is x plus 14 minus taking 13 common, so it is x. ये minus common था तो minus will become plus 14 is equal to 0. This implies taking x plus 14 common, you will get x minus 13 is equal to 0. So either this is 0, x plus 14 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 14. It is not possible because we have to find out positive consecutive integer. इस वैल्यू को हम नहीं लेंगे, इसको नेग्लेक्ट कर देंगे. x minus 13 is equal to 0 सेकंड, तो x is equal to कितना हो जाएगा 13. Okay, so the value of x will be what 13 and the integers are what x and x plus 1. So 13 plus 1 is what 14. So required integers will be 13 and 14. In next question, the altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. We know that we can apply Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. So here what is given that altitude of triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So we assume here base as a variable. So let base is equal to x centimeter. If base is x centimeter, then altitude. See, ये base है, ये 8 सेंटीमीटर हो गया. तो altitude will be what x minus 7 centimeter. Okay, altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base and hypotenuse is given. It is given 13 centimeter. हाइपोटेन्यूज 13 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा। तो वी यूज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। So what is Pythagoras theorem? The square of two side is equal to the sum of square of two side is equal to the square of hypotenuse. So sum of square of these two side base and perpendicular. So it is x minus 7 whole square plus base is x square is equal to hypotenuse square means 13 square. A minus b से इसको ओपन कर देंगे तो a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab तो 2 इंटू एक्स इंटू 7 तो 2 7 जा 14 14x plus b square 49 plus x square is equal to 169. Square of 13 is 169. Now x square and x square is 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169. 169 इधर ट्रांसपोज किया 2x square minus 14x so 49 minus 169 तो इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे तो नेगेटिव 120 मिलेगा डिवाइड बाय 2 बोथ साइड बिकॉज ऑल टर्म्स आर डिविजिबल बाय 2 सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 60 इज इक्वल टू 0। अब मल्टीप्लीकेशन क्या होना चाहिए 60 होना चाहिए और डिफरेंस कितना होना चाहिए 7 तो 12 5 जा 60 और 12 माइनस 5 इज 7 सो x square minus it is 12 minus 5 x minus 60 is equal to 0. See x square minus 12x minus minus plus 5x and minus 60 is equal to 0. X common x minus 12 plus 5 common x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is common. So what is remaining? X plus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 12, x is equal to minus 5. It is not possible because x is length and length cannot be negative. So we'll take x is equal to 12. If x is equal to 12 means base will be what? X, that is 12 centimeter. And altitude is what? X minus 7, that is 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. So base and altitudes are 12 and 5 centimeters. Next question. A cottage industry produces a certain number of poultry articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. We have to find out two things, the number of article and cost of articles. So we will take number of articles as a variable. So here we assume let number of articles produced on that day is equal to x. So cost of each article on that day. There is a relation and that relation is what? Cost of each article is 3 more than twice the number of article. Number of article का twice means 2 cent तो कर देना 3 more means plus 3. This is the cost of each article in rupees. Okay. Now it is given that total production of that day, total cost of production on that day Total cost of production on that day is what? Rupees 90. So how will you find out the total cost of production? Number of articles into the rate of one article or cost of one article. So number of article is what? X, and cost of each article is what? 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. So multiply x into this, 2x square, this into this, it is 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Yes, now we will solve by factorization method. Multiplication should be 90 into 2, 180, and minus sign is there. So difference should be 3. Means we have to find out the two numbers whose multiplication is 180 and the difference is 3. And numbers are 15 and 12. Factorization से आप find out कर सकते हैं. 2x square plus 15 minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 15 to x, 15x plus minus minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. Yes, only x is common, so it is 2x plus 15 here minus 6 is common, 6 is divisible, both numbers are divisible by 6. 6 common is what? SCF actually. इन दोनों का SCF वो common होगा. So 6 is common, so 6 2 जा 12, 2x और 6 1 जा 6 and 6 5 जा. So it is 15 is equal to 0. So again 2x plus 15 is common from here and x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 6 remaining. Yes, now 2x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So it is 2x is equal to minus 15, so x is equal to minus 15 by 2. That is not possible, number of articles cannot be negative. So x is equal to 6. So number of articles means we will accept this value. So what? Number of articles is equal to 6 and cost of each article that we have to find out is what? 2x plus 3. So 2 into x is what? 6 plus 3. 2 3 is 6 plus 3 15. So it is rupees 50.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो